In this video, we need to install Nginx on App Server 1, and then we need to set up SSL for that. And then just we need to copy this content welcome to index.html. So before that, if you do curl https and then strap01, so you would see connection refused. Even if you do without without ES as well, it says connection refused. So first achieve that one. So first install Nginx in it. SSH Tony strap01 be a sudo user, and then run the command yum install nginx-y to install Nginx. So once it is done, if you come over here and if you try to visit an HTTP, let it install first. Okay, it's been installed. Now start the service, systemctl start Nginx. Now if you do, it's gonna work. So before that, let's copy to /user share nginx html. So basically that that this output is coming from that index file. So I'm just gonna replace it with this welcome content because I don't want to see scroll down this much. So if you use up arrow, now it's just welcome. If you use https, it's not gonna work because we need to set up that certificate. So for that one, you need to go to /etc nginx, and then if you do ls-l, you can see this content. So we need to look in this file. So if I do va nginx and then look for server, so this is the server configuration serving our page. So that's where it has root directory and it's serving files inside the directory. And then we need to set up the same thing for https, that's on port number 443. If you scroll down, you can see this content. Just copy this one from here to here. Actually earlier I copied and I removed uh, those pound symbols or hash, and then it should look like this one. So what you need to do now, so if you do pwd, we are in this directory. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to directory certs, then cd to cert, and then just copy this file from /tmp and then nautilus.crt. Then I'm gonna say nginx, maybe I could say server.crt, and then I'm gonna copy key as well, /temp nautilus.key, and then I'm gonna call it as server.key. So I can now I got both the files. If I do pwd, so these are in this directory, so copy this path, come back to your configuration file you earlier copied, and then just replace it /. So make sure to use right path and file names. That's it. Just copy this one, just jump back to this that configuration file again. If you look server, so after this block close this, just insert it and paste it, then escape, capital ZZ. That's been saved now. So run the command nginx -t just to make sure everything is perfect. So it says successful. I'll show you if you make something, any mistakes. For instance, so in the server block, if I give this any non-existent path, um, for instance, if I do just add something, maybe I'm gonna say this one. So if you do nginx -t now, it says failed, and it shows the line number as well. Possibly, I think it says something is error in this file. So you can see the code as well. This is the it's making this error actually. So that's how this nginx -t helps. So jump back. Where is that file? Look for that line and just undo it. If you run the nginx -t again, it's going to be fine. So now we need to restart nginx to effect these changes. If you come back here, it's working. Oh, we are doing with okay. When you do this https with the curl, it says that because it's a self-signed certificate, so it's giving us some error. So if you want to avoid that, what you can do, just use -k, curl space -k and URL. Now you can see. If you want to see headers, you can append with hyphen. You can use -I to see headers as well. So this is how you can use SSL with Nginx. Yeah, that's been successful now. Thank you so much for watching.